They don't fit every use case, and blindly following them can lead you to costly mistakes. Reference architectures often lack the context of your specific needs. They don't account for your team size, budget, or even the unique challenges of your business model. Relying on them can result in wasted resources, increased complexity, and a solution that doesn't scale. 3. The simple explanation: using AWS reference architectures without adaptation is like trying to wear someone else's shoes. They might look good, but they won't fit right. Every cloud environment is unique. The key is to understand the principles behind these architectures. Focus on your business requirements, technical limitations, and growth projections. This way, you can design a cloud solution that truly supports your objectives. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a real-world example, a startup building a new e-commerce platform. They saw AWS's reference architecture for online retail and decided to implement it exactly as shown. They set up an auto-scaling group, a load balancer, and a relational database, following AWS's recommendations. Here's the catch: the startup had a limited budget of $5,000 a month and an expected traffic of around 1,000 users per day. But they didn't account for their specific needs. The auto-scaling group was set to scale out with as few as 2 instances during peak times, leading to a monthly bill of over $10,000. They also used an RDS instance that was too large for their traffic, wasting resources. After 3 months, they realized they were over budget and underutilizing resources. They had to pivot quickly, refactoring their architecture to fit their actual usage, which cost them time and resources. Had they tailored their approach from the start, they could have saved 40% in costs and improved their performance. 5. What to do instead. Here's how to create a cloud architecture that fits your needs. Step 1. Assess your requirements. Identify your primary goals. Are you focusing on performance, cost, scalability, or compliance? Define your traffic patterns. Estimate your daily active users and peak usage times. Understand your budget. What's your monthly spend limit? Factor in unexpected growth. Step 2. Choose the right services. Select services that fit your needs. Instead of a general-purpose RDS, consider or for better cost efficiency with scaling. Evaluate managed services. Think about using services like AWS Lambda for infrequent tasks instead of a constantly running EC2 instance. Step 3. Design for flexibility. Create a modular architecture. Use microservices to isolate different features. This allows you to scale parts of your application independently. Implement infrastructure as code. Use tools like AWS CloudFormation or Terraform for easy adjustments and version control. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Set up CloudWatch metrics, monitor CPU usage, memory, and network traffic regularly. Adjust based on real data. Analyze cost cases. Use AWS Cost Explorer to identify services that are costing more than expected. Step 5. Iterate based on feedback. Gather user feedback. Regularly check in with users to see if the application meets their needs. Refine your architecture. Adjust your design based on performance metrics and user feedback to ensure it stays relevant. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Ignoring specific use cases. Fix. Tailor your design to your audience. Analyze who will use your application and how. Mistake 2. Over-engineering solutions. Fix. Start simple. Only add complexity when necessary. Use the MVP approach to validate your ideas. Mistake 3. Misunderstanding cost implications. Fix. Use the AWS pricing calculator before deploying. Understand the cost of each service and how they scale. Mistake 4. Lack of monitoring. Fix. Implement monitoring from day 1. Set alerts for unusual spikes in usage or costs to address issues early. Mistake 5. Not iterating. Fix. Regularly review your architecture. Make changes based on performance metrics and user feedback to keep it efficient. 7. Quick checklist. Assess your requirements before starting. Choose services tailored to your needs. Design for flexibility with a modular approach. Set up monitoring with actionable alerts. Regularly iterate based on performance data. 8. Summary plus CTA. Copying AWS reference architectures can lead to wasted resources and missed opportunities. Focus on understanding your unique requirements and build a cloud solution tailored to your needs. Now, take a moment to reflect on your cloud strategy. Are you following a generic model, or are you customizing it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more practical cloud engineering tips. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost.